Common cold and fever due to the changing season is a recurring problem and estimated to be affecting millions across the globe. A fragile body and low immunity also keep people away from an active lifestyle. Remaining stuck in bed the whole day with a blowing nose is also quite irritating. In this situation, people often rush to the doctor to get treated. Still, if you adopt a holistic and natural method to boost your immunity level, you are sure to remain always on your toes and healthy. What is a better way than yoga to boost your immune system? Yoga holistically keeps the immune system at a higher level by bringing down the stress. Let's check out some specific yoga poses to strengthen and support the immune system, and by practicing it regularly, you can keep the same in control. When you stand like a mountain for 10 to 20 seconds, you could best restore balance and regulate the digestive system. It improves breathing, builds awareness, gives relief from tension, and improves blood circulation. This pose also removes dullness from the body and keep you refreshed always. It also creates energy and harmonizes the body and mind, which ultimately works on the immunity system to make it active and fight against the pathogens. This asana can be done at any time of the day, and it is not necessary to do it on an empty stomach, but it is best to have your meals at least 4 to 6 hours before you practice it. Also, make sure to keep your bowels clean. It is considered as one of the best poses to improve the immune system. While doing this pose, you should keep your eyes open to maintain balance and hold it for 30 seconds. This asana improves the flow of blood in the body, cures the problem of indigestion, decreases blood pressure, and increases concentration. It also soothes the mind, keeps the stress away, and helps in reducing obesity. While doing this asana, you would feel like sitting on an imaginary chair and at least for 30 seconds. This asana should be performed in the morning on an empty stomach. It balances your body and builds your focus and determination. The asana also provides massage to the abdominal organs and stimulates the heart. If Utkatasana is regularly practiced, you can increase the lung capacity, gets energy, and even reduce weight. This pose gets rid of all the worst or bad aspects of your body. You should remain in this pose for 30 to 60 seconds, and the best timing to do this pose is in the morning. This pose helps absorb nutrients, relieves you from tension and stress, tone your parathyroid gland. It also gives the digestive system a good massage and keeps you away from constipation, anxiety, and fatigue. It is one of the relaxed yoga poses in which you would have to touch your toes by bending your body forward. Do this pose early morning on an empty stomach and remain in it for 30 seconds. This pose calms the brain, relieves you from stress, stimulates the digestive system, and energizes the entire body, which makes the immune system stronger and helps you sleep better at night. It would be best if you keep your stomach and bowels empty before you start this pose. It is one of the best and simplest poses to do. Bend on the mat while keeping the knees and hips at a suitable distance from each other. Your toes should touch you. With exhale, bring your hips towards your heel and toes to touch your thighs. Stretch your arms in front of you as elbows touch the floor, and take some deep breaths. This pose got its name from a plow, a traditional farming tool. It prepares the body for deeper rejuvenation and relaxation. Lie down facing the ceiling, arms beside you and palms facing downward. Lift your feet at 90 degrees above the floor, continue to take deep breaths, with the support of the hips and back, lift yourself above the ground. Sweep your legs over your head at 180 degrees and touch the floor. This could not be very easy at the start, but after a few attempts, you can easily do it. Remain in this pose for few minutes and relax, and after a minute, exhale and bring your legs back to the original position. Our immune system is made of the vast network of tissues, cells, and other organs that defends the body from viruses, germs, and microorganisms. This system plays a vital role in keeping the body healthy and prevent infection. Yoga makes this system strong, enabling it to properly detect these harmful elements and operate well to counter the same. We hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips.